What if a luxury mansion could travel anywhere on Earth? Not just a camper, and not just an RV, but a fully self-contained mobile luxury estate designed to deliver the comfort of a 5-star penthouse while moving across mountains, forests, and coastlines. Today we're stepping inside one of the most futuristic luxury motorhomes ever imagined. A massive double-deck mobile residence built for ultimate freedom, cutting-edge engineering, and breathtaking design. This is not simply a vehicle. It's a true mansion on wheels. From the moment you see it, the presence of this motorhome is impossible to ignore. The deep, glossy, dark green body reflects light like polished glass, while the powerful semi-truck chassis gives it the commanding appearance of a luxury expedition vehicle. Stretching across multiple axles, the motorhome blends aerodynamic curves with massive panoramic windows that wrap around the structure like the walls of a modern glass house. Above the vehicle, solar panels are seamlessly integrated into the roof, allowing the motorhome to generate its own energy for extended off-grid journeys. And on the upper level, a private balcony terrace adds an entirely new dimension to travel, transforming every destination into a personal scenic viewpoint. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more impressive. The entrance lobby welcomes you with polished marble flooring, warm ambient lighting, and a beautifully designed staircase that leads to the upper level. Instead of feeling like the interior of a vehicle, the space feels more like a luxury penthouse apartment. The living lounge is designed with comfort and elegance in mind. Soft leather sofas surround a sleek glass coffee table, while expansive panoramic windows fill the interior with natural light. Whether parked beside a lake, deep within a forest, or overlooking mountain peaks, the view outside becomes a constantly changing living artwork. Moving deeper into the motorhome, the elegant dining area provides a perfect space for relaxing meals on the roof. A glossy marble dining table sits at the center, surrounded by luxurious upholstered chairs and illuminated by soft ceiling lighting that creates a calm and refined atmosphere. Just beside the dining space is a fully equipped modern kitchen. Chrome appliances, polished marble countertops, and minimalist cabinetry give the kitchen a sleek contemporary design while still offering the full functionality of a high-end home kitchen. Every detail is engineered to remain stable and efficient even while traveling, proving that luxury and mobility can coexist beautifully. Upstairs, the staircase opens into a spacious upper deck lounge, surrounded by panoramic glass walls. This elevated living area offers incredible views of the landscape outside, turning the motorhome into a mobile observation deck. At the rear of the motorhome lies the master bedroom suite, designed to provide a peaceful retreat after long journeys. A king-size bed sits at the center of the room, framed by soft ambient lighting that glows around the headboard and ceiling panels. Connected to the bedroom is a luxurious spa-style bathroom designed with the same attention to detail. With powerful engineering beneath its sleek exterior, the vehicle is capable of traveling across highways, mountain passes, and remote landscapes with ease. One day it might be parked beside a peaceful forest lake, and the next it could be overlooking dramatic ocean cliffs as waves crash far below. As the sun begins to set and the road stretches endlessly toward the horizon, this motorhome becomes something more than just transportation. It becomes a new way of living, one where luxury, exploration, and independence come together. A world where home is no longer tied to one place, but instead travels with you wherever the road leads. Because sometimes the most extraordinary homes in the world are not built on land, they are the ones that never stop moving.